What is going on, YouTube? It is Brash Garage. We're back again in the garage. Today we got some really exciting stuff. Are you hyped? Mm-hmm. Hype City?
Hype City, baby.
Hell yeah. What are we doing? You want to explain it?
Oh, God.
Look here, how about this? We got the headliner. Where are the door cards? The door cards are in the Civic. We have this majestical fabric. Oof. So we're kind of gonna be putting these two together, if you know what I'm saying. Hey, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be fucking.
Are you ready?
Creative.
There's the Mustang.
Peep it. Peep that bitch.
My Civic's faster.
Look at it. It's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be nice. So we've got this, and then where's our bag? Oh, hey, right here. Right there. We got some Elmer's spray adhesive. This was the cheapest one, so we're gonna hope and pray it works. So this, combined with some interior panels and some NAR fabric, kind of just for the memes,
A little bit of magic.
and the help of my lovely girlfriend, this should turn out pretty dang cool, I think. Okay, so Kira's off to get some cards so we can just get it nice and even. I have it just masked off roughly where we want the lines to be, because we were going to take it off and then lay it back down, but now we're actually going to flip half of it back, spray it all, and then spray the fabric and then lay it back down and then do the other side, and hopefully that comes out pretty dang good. We're gonna see. This is literally our first time doing this ever. So I hope it comes out good. I'm excited for the Civic to be something great. And it's the fabric reveal. What do you guys think? Thumbnail. But hey, fabric reveal. We're going with the bluey purple, pink, and a little blue in the center. We think it should match the purple on the Civic quite well. Okay, so we have it laid out how we want. We are going to sand this down with the 100 grit sandpaper you see here, and then wipe it off with a microfiber, spray, and then lay it down. So. Now that we've got it sanded up with the 100 grit, show you how it looks. You can kind of see the yellow in it and you can see the lines. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a damp microfiber, and then we'll resume. Okay boys, jumping right into it. Kira's already got the freaking spray. We have to go lay this back on top and then do half. Are you ready though?
I'm fucking ready.
I'm fucking ready too. Okay guys, camera is almost about to die, but we are hitting it with the heat gun and then she is straightening it out with just a normal debit card. Alright guys, so we kind of messed up. As you can see, it looks absolutely awesome, doesn't it, Beam?
Yep.
Looks really good. We actually, before I go into that, this looks really good, but please do not buy this Elmer's spray adhesive. I just bought it because it was the cheapest and I kind of knew that it's not going to be the best, but you want to just chill for like 2 seconds? 2 seconds?
Oh.
Anyways, all I saw was this is what it's good for, and that's what we're using it for. You go a little down farther. Not recommended for automotive headliners. Bro. Anyways, it seems to be holding a-okay for now. We're gonna rock it, and if it decides to shit itself, well, that's the only one at the store anyways. So I looked up the proper stuff and I'm gonna order that online if this ends up sagging. But we have now moved on to the door cards, which Kira is cleaning up over here. How's it coming? How's it coming?
Still looks terrible, but that's as clean as it's gonna get.
Well, it doesn't need to look good.
Right? It just needs to have that.
Needs to be a little clean,
Layer.
good surface. Get some grease or whatever was in there off. And then we're still gonna use this because, well, I have 2 cans of it now. Doing the flip side. Okay guys, so now we've got that done and we are hammering away with the freaking staple gun. Yeah. So I'm basically just going on all 4 corners. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you guys are gonna witness this one. Psych. 6. And then we got some over here. And I think that should honestly be good. So this is basically the finished product, minus we have to cut out the light hole and the tabs that go in. But other than that, man, we have just got ourselves a custom headliner. Don't know how long it'll last because we fucked up on the glue, but
Custom.
it's custom, isn't it? Should we flip it over and show them what it's like? Walk into me. Jesus Christ. That is bloody sick. That is so freaking cool, dude. Oh my goodness. That is so sick. To think this used to be a gray headliner yesterday and now it's looking like a snack. Look at that. Dude, that is so crispy. There's not even any air pockets anywhere. It's like tight. Like, look at that. So now I guess it's time to go ahead and tackle our door panels, which are out here in the sun drying off.